Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking various questions. So today I decided to do like a Q&A. I'm probably going to answer one question today and then tomorrow I will answer other questions. Doing what is it that people are asking?
Okay, so people are asking what are the documents I need to export ginger?
So basically, I'm going to class that as food. If you want to export food, you are exporting to the USA, what are the documents you need? Food is quite easy. We need to classify shipment export into two. One is commercial quantity and one is personal quantity. When you are exporting for personal use, which means something that a family can use. But when you are exporting a quantity that is more, big, something that you want to sell, then it's going to be classed as commercial. Now for food, you need two key things. One, your normal shipping documentation, which is your commercial invoice and your packing list. We have a training on this and you can see the link below that will show you how to get your commercial invoice, how to get your packing list. The second and the most important thing you need is what we call your FDA food facility registration. This is a must if you are exporting commercial quantities of food to the USA, to Canada, to UK. But again, we are talking about the USA. Food facility registration. I'm going to also put a link down below where you can learn more about it because it's a wide subject. But again, it's very easy. The food facility registration is needed when you are exporting commercial quantities of food to the USA. How do you get it? Very simple. All you need is simply to reach out to us. We will help you with the registration. It's a very simple process. Within 3-4 days, we will get you your FDA food facility registration. And once you have it and you are ready to ship, any good shipping company will tell you how to use it to ship your items to the USA stress-free. Now, if you want to use us and our partners, you are welcome. We will be able to help you register the FDA. Like I said, we'll be able to apply it to your shipment so that you have no issues when you're shipping. So again, that's the answer to that. What documents do I need to ship ginger or basically any food products? One, you need to have your commercial invoice and your packing list, which is general for all shipments. And then two, you need to have your FDA food facility registration. Hope that answers your question. I'll see you tomorrow with another question.